Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your August smart lock not fully unlocking. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have an August smart lock that you've been using for quite some time, and you realize that it's not fully unlocking all the way anymore. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to fix this, what I ended up doing was that if you go into your August app, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on the gear icon on the bottom right, then click on Lock Settings, scroll down, and then click on Calibrate. So go ahead and recalibrate your lock so that it understands how to operate your door. So it's going to ask you to fully lock your door and then fully unlock your door, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your August smart lock not fully unlocking. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.